Assalamu alaikum dear students, let's continue our previous objective, that is about set. A set is represented by a capital letter A, B, C and so on of English alphabets, and its members or elements are written within brackets separated by commas, like set of pets. Symbolically, we can write the members of the set A as cow is an element of the set A, goat is an element of the set A and so on, whereas tree is not the element of the set A. Some important sets are capital letter N represents sets of natural numbers, capital letter E represents set of even numbers, capital letter O represents set of odd numbers, capital letter W represents set of whole numbers, whereas capital letter P represents set of prime numbers. We can describe sets in two forms, descriptive form and tabular form. In descriptive form, we describe the property of a set by a statement as given in the following examples. The set of English books in the library, set B, the set of counting or natural numbers, the set of animals in the zoo. In tabular form, we list all the elements within the brackets and separated each element by using a comma. The elements of a set can be listed as for a less number of elements, for a more but limited number of elements, for an unlimited number of elements. And remember, tabular form of a set is also known as roster form. Along with, I just want to say take care and Allah Hafiz.